this one's electric.
Welcome back. My name's Brian Roschetzky, and if you have been, thanks for watching. I had such a wonderful day at Giga, Texas. I woke up at sunrise, had a few hiccups, but got on the road and made it there early in the morning. So I really hope you enjoy. I met some really great people, had some great conversations, and I just want to thank everyone in the Tesla and the electric car community. We're all working together to try to make this planet a better place for everyone. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks again for watching. That's where we're going with the Cybertruck. And everybody should plant a tree. Stay away from this. Go to these and plant more of these. All right, boys and girls. Got 77 miles range. Got my coffee. It's early in the morning. You can hear the birds chirping. And today, right as I was pulling out of the garage, I remembered to bring a fold-out chair. It's gonna be a nice day. Cheers. As I was driving to Giga, Texas, I saw that. Low tire warning. So I have turned around. We're going back to the house. We're gonna use the battery-powered air compressor. Try to air up the tire, and then we'll take it with me just in case we need to use it on the way back. One thing that fascinates me about Giga, Texas is how people will drive up and look at the factory constantly all day long. And even though not everyone loves Tesla and loved this being here in Austin, the consensus overwhelmingly is how everyone loves to see a future possibilities and the future growth of electric cars. This family here got their photo taken in front of Giga, Texas with me, and I'll be sending them photos for free. They have a Tesla Model 3. They also have a Cybertruck on reservation and some Tesla shares. These two guys here, a son and a dad, they're from Austin. They also have mini electric cars, and they have a Cybertruck on reservation as well, I believe. And they also do some EV conversions. So hopefully we may see them in the future. May try to get an interview, see a little bit more about their electric-powered lifestyle as well. So I hope you enjoy everything you're seeing here with Roschetzky Photography. I hope to bring you plenty more in the EV community, and let's check out what's happening at Giga, Texas. How many shares of Tesla stock do you own? And do you have an exit strategy? Throw it down in the comments. Let's talk about it. Thanks again for watching. Your support helps this channel grow. If you think this video's brought you value, think about supporting me on Patreon. There's a link in the description. And everyone else, the best form of support is being here watching. So thanks again. Let's get that drone into the air and see what Giga Texas looks like from up above. And again, thanks for all the support. I want to give a special thanks to my newest Patreon supporter, Rick Carter. Thanks a bunch, Rick. And thank all the rest of my Patreons and everyone else who supported me or sent me a tip or a donation on PayPal. Thank you so much for all your help, and it really makes it possible for me to continue to bring these videos to you and get this coverage of Giga Texas and the entire electric car community. So thanks again. I want everyone to have a great day, and don't forget, the best form of support is simply being here and watching my videos. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.